All right. Question number 2. Solution. Okay. The peak value of the potential difference in an AC circuit is 240 volts. So V naught is equal to 240 volts. The instantaneous potential difference at phase angle of 90 degrees. So we are looking for this guy, just like question number 1. And the phase angle, which is the same thing as omega t. Do you remember? Since omega is 2 pi f, so it's also 2 pi ft. All right, but we are told that it is 90 degrees. So the equation that relates the instantaneous voltage to the peak voltage is this: V is equal to V naught sine theta. You remember? Okay, so if we plug in the values, we have that V is equal to 240 times sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees is 1. So 1 times 240 should give us 240 volts. So option B is the correct option.